This is Engineer Nasir from NC Engineering and Technology. I welcome you to our series HVAC Ducting Work Part 2. Now I will explain you how to calculate the area of a rectangular duct, and we will discuss also what is meant by the area of a rectangular duct and why we need it to calculate. Your screen is showing 6 engineering formulas that are used for the calculation of area for a rectangular duct. There is one very important point to be remembered. By the rectangular duct area calculated using these 6 engineering formulas should not be confused with the duct's actual surface area. Actually, it is the estimate of the sheet required for the fabrication of that rectangular duct. These are engineering formulas developed after a long research work and after considering each aspect. Why we need to calculate the area of a rectangular duct using these engineering formulas? The answer is number 1. We need to calculate the area of a rectangular duct to estimate the sheet required for the fabrication of the duct. Number 2. We need to calculate the area of a rectangular duct to estimate the insulation sheet or board required for the duct. Number 3. To make invoice, we must consider the sheet that goes to the scrap during fabrication. If you will make the estimation of the sheet or insulation based on the actual surface area of the duct, then during fabrication the sheet you will bring, it will not be enough, because some portion of it will go to the scrap. So in these engineering formulas, all these scrap and other things are considered. Now to learn the application of these engineering formulas to calculate the area of a rectangular duct, we will make a sample exercise. Your screen is showing a part plan of a rectangular duct. To make more easy for the calculation of area for this rectangular duct, we have given the tag number to each piece of the duct. The tag number 1 is the rectangular duct, size 1000 by 200, length 1.8 meter. Number 2 is the reducer between 1000 by 200 and 800 by 200, length is 0.8 meter. Number 3 is the straight duct, 800 by 200, length 1.2 meter. Number 4 is the elbow, size 800 by 200, and number 5 is the straight duct, size 800 by 200, length 1.2 meter. Number 6 is the Y branch, size 800 by 200, 500 by 200, 400 by 200. Number 7 is the straight duct, again length 1.2 meter, size 500 by 200, and number 8 is the straight duct, 400 by 200, length 1.2 meter. For the purpose of area calculation, we have tabulated the value of this shop drawing. The first column is for the tag number, second column is for description, and the third column is for the size of the duct, and fourth column is showing the length of this duct. As you can see from the table, we have 4 types of duct. Number 1 is straight duct, number 2 reducer, number 3 elbow, and number 4 is the Y branch. We will make the calculation one case from each type. We will start our sample calculation from the item number 1, that is rectangular duct of size 1000 by 200, length 1.8 meter. As we have a straight duct of size 1000 by 200 mm and length 1800 mm, let us convert these dimensions into meters. Width equal to 1000 mm equal to 1 meter, height 200 mm equal to 0.2 meter, and length 1800 mm equal to 1.8 meter. And we have the formula for the area calculation of a straight duct. Area equal to 2 times width plus h into L. When we will apply these value of width, height and length in this formula, we will get a result area equal to 4.32 square meter. As item number 3, 5, 7 and 8 are same like item number 1 straight duct, so we can calculate the area for this item in the same way as we have calculated for item number 1. The second item is rectangular reducer having one side 1000 by 200 and another side 800 by 200, length of 800 mm. As second item, we have a rectangular reducer having size 1000 by 200 by 800 by 200, length 800 mm. And as we know the formula from the table for a reducer, area equal to 2 times width plus h into L, where width and h is the dimension for the largest side. Let us convert these values from millimeter to meter. Then width equal to 1000 meter will be 1 meter, h equal to 200 millimeter will be 0.2 meter, length 800 mm will be 0.8 meter. As we know the area equal to 2 times width plus h into L. When we will apply this value in this formula, then we will get a result area equal to 1.92 square meter. Item 3 is a rectangular duct and its area can be calculated in the same way as we have calculated for item number 1. Item number 4 is an elbow having dimension 800 by 200 mm, where width and height are the dimension for the largest side, and L1 we can calculate from here. L1 equal to width plus R and L2 equal to width 1 plus R. Let us convert these values from millimeter to meter. Width will be 800 mm will be 0.8 meter, radius 100 mm will be 0.1 meter. L1 we can calculate as 800 plus 100 equal to 900 mm and it will be 0.9 meter. In the same way L2 will be 800 plus 100 mm, 900 mm will be 0.9 meter. When we will apply this value in the formula area equal to width plus h into L1 plus L2, then we will get a result area equal to 3.6 square meter. Again item number 5 is a rectangular duct and the area can be calculated same as like item number 1. Item number 6 is a Y branch having dimension one side 800 by 200 mm, the second side 500 by 200 mm and the third side 400 by 200 mm. As we can see the formula for the calculation of area for a Y branch, area equal to 2 times width plus height 1 into L1 plus 2 times width 2 plus height 2 into L2 plus 2 times width 3 plus height 3 into L3. Assuming radius for this Y branch equal to 100 mm, then we can calculate the value for L1. L1 will be equal to 800 plus 100 is equal to 900 mm and it will be equal to 0.9 meter. L2 will be 100 mm and it will be 0.1 meter. L3 in the same way will be 100 mm and equal to 0.1 meter. Let us convert this value from millimeter to meter. Width 1 500 mm will be 0.5 meter, height 1 200 mm will be 0.2 meter, width 2 400 mm will be 0.4 meter, height 2 200 mm will be 0.2 meter, width 3 800 mm will be 0.8 meter and height 1 200 mm will be 0.2 meter. When we will apply this value to the formula, area equal to 2 times width 1 plus h1 into L1 plus 2 times w width 2 plus height 2 into L2 plus 2 times width 3 height 3 into L3, then we will get a result area equal to 1.5 square meter. So in this way you can calculate the area of any rectangular duct using these formulas. I hope I am able to clear the concept for the calculation of rectangular duct area. Friends, if you are new to our channel or still you have not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel so that we can bring more videos for you.